Hi, my name is Brooke, and we're going to talk about some neurotransmitters. Acetylcholine is memory and movement, and it's used by the parasympathetic nervous system, which slows down body and conserves energy. Lower levels of this is Alzheimer's disease. Dopamine is initiation of voluntary movement, and you can also experience pleasure. A low level will cause you to have Parkinson's, and a high level will cause you to have schizophrenia. Norepinephrine is alertness and arousal, which is used by the sympathetic nervous system. High level of it will cause you to have anxiety, and low level can cause you to have depression. Serotonin has to deal with mood, sleep, and appetite. Low level is depression, high level is mania, and if you have too much of either one, it can cause for bipolar disorder. GABA is the main inhibitory neurotransmitter, which stops firing. Low level is Huntington's disease, and also could have anxiety. Glutamate is the main excretory neurotransmitter, which causes it to keep firing, and it helps with learning and strengthening. Lastly, endorphins will help you reduce pain.
Hi, my name is Nick, and today we're going to talk to you a little bit about the neuron. First, we have the dendrites, and those extend off of the cell body to receive a neurotransmitter. We also have the soma, and that's the body in the middle of the cell, and that's going to hold the cell nucleus. There's also the axon that carries the neurotransmitters from the soma up into the end of the terminal buttons. This can be covered in a myelin sheath, which is made of plasma, which can help speed up the process of transmitting a neural signal. At the very end, we have the terminal buttons, and those are what secrete the neurotransmitters up into the synapse. And the synapse is a small, empty portion right outside the neuron, and then after being transmitted through the synapse, they will be received through another neuron's dendrites. To explain the entire process, we've drawn this magnificent diagram. First, we have the dendrites on the outside, which receive the neurotransmitters, transmitting it to soma in the middle, and then off to the axon covered in myelin. This is only for some specialized cells, though. Not every neurotransmitter is covered in a myelin sheath. And then up into the terminal buttons, which are then secreted throughout the rest of the neuron.
Go. So got the dendrites over here, got the soma, axon, you got the myelin sheath covering that, which speeds up your reaction. And you go to the terminal buttons, and that is where they release the neurotransmitters. See, dendrites, soma, depolarize, fire across the action potential, and then go to the whatever.
Joints, soma, exponential down the axon to the terminal buttons.
That's good enough.
Dendrites send a signal to the soma, which fires an action potential down the axon to the terminal buttons.
Wait, can I look at this?
Yeah.
Okay. Dendrite send signals to the soma, which fires an action potential down to the axon to the terminal button.
Dendrites send signals to the soma,
Which sends an action potential down the axon.
which sends a potential to the axon
To the terminal buttons.
to the terminal buttons.
Do that. Yay!
Hi, I'm Adam, and we're going to talk about how the brain deals with hunger. First, the lateral hypothalamus is the on signal for hunger. Then the ventral medial hypothalamus is the off switch for hunger. Also, the suprachiasmatic nucleus decides what food you like. Next, we talk about how some neurotransmitters affect hunger. First, ghrelin makes you hungry, and CCK makes you full. And the insulin secreted by the pancreas deals with glucose, and that is your main energy source.
That's good.
We did.